Our reading objectives for today, fluency. We did our fluency piece. We're going to identify details that belong in a summary and summarize the most important ideas in an article. So, same thing as yesterday. When I say go, when I say what, we're going to talk to the people in your group about the 3 things that you need to do in order to summarize, because we talked about them yesterday. All right? When we are done, then we'll go ahead and review those 3 things. All right? Go.
Okay, wait, what?
All right. Repeat what you just said, because I know she knew that. All right, let me get your eyes back on me, please. Let's see. All right. Waiting. Hands down. Hands down. All right, so. Here we go. Shelly, what's the first thing we need to do?
Find a topic.
Find the topic.
Yeah.
Very good. Excellent job. Second thing, Jenny. Main details as well as?
Important details.
What? No. You said details, but what kind of details do they have to be? Importance. Very good. So, find a topic. I'm going to wait. Your eyes should be on me, and it should be silent. Find a topic. We said look for the most important details, right?
Yeah.
And what was the last thing? Itza.
The conclusion.
Not the conclusion. So once we find the topic, and once we have the most important details, what do we need, Jermaine? Excellent job. We need to put them in our own. Boys and girls, today we're going to practice that strategy again, but with a different topic. Yesterday we did it with crocodiles. Yeah. Okay. Today will be a new topic. How many know the word flash mob? Raise your hand. Just show hands. That's it? Flash mob? Okay. When we think of the word and we break it apart, because we talked about compound words, right? 2 words that we put together. When you think of the word flash, what do you think of?
The light.
Okay, so Michelle says the light flashing. Lysander?
Like for photography?
Okay, so photography. So you're thinking of the flash of a camera. Good. Juan?
That's like fast.
Fast. Excellent.
Flash like taking a picture from paparazzi.
Okay, good. And what do we know that happens real quickly? What's another word for real quickly? Everybody on the count 3. 1, 2, 3.
Rapidly.
Excellent. Yes. So something that happens real quickly happens rapidly. Excellent. So I found a picture of Flash because he's obviously fast. All right. Now, what about the word mob? Can you say mob?
Mob.
What does the word mob mean? Anthony? A group of people. Nice. Does everyone agree with him?
Yes.
Yes, he is correct. Put them together, we have a flash mob. Okay, we have a what?
Flash mob.
A flash mob. Okay, and that's the topic that we're going to talk about today. So, before we read a little bit about a flash mob, I am going to give you some facts about that. Okay? Alright, so here are the facts. First, a flash mob is a large group of people who quickly assemble in a public place to perform an unusual activity, and then they break up. Okay? So they end up going in, a large group of people assemble, they get together in a large place, they do something, and then they break up. Sometimes it starts off really small, and then eventually, what happens? Other people start coming and joining along. We're going to identify the topic, which we already know. What is the topic?
Flash mob.
Flash mob. Very good. All right. And now we're going to look for important information that has to do with a flash mob. Flash mobs. Bill Wazik was planning a prank in New York City. He told 100 people to pretend to shop for the same rug at Macy's department store. Store clerks in the store were confused. They were what?
Confused.
Why did so many people want to buy? But they keep the plan a secret from the
Public.
They want to take people by surprise. At the right time, they gather in the chosen
Place.
The flash mob begins. Flash mobs can be fun to watch, but they can also cause
Trouble.
when they get too big. A flash mob in London had more than 4,000 people.
Dancing.
Had more than 4,000 people
Dancing.
in train stations. In your head, right now you're thinking, okay, if I'm going to summarize this, what important information from this paragraph will I need, right, to share what this passage was about? And the first thing, it began with this man named Bill Isaac. He told 100 people, okay, to pretend to shop for this rug. All right, everyone got that? Thumbs up if you do. All right, moving on. Second paragraph. It says, from the information in this paragraph, how does a flash mob work? Sit down. You are going to bring your article, now that we highlighted the important details, all right, we are going to put them in our graphic organizer, and then you are going to take that information and write it in your own words, all right? We found out all the important information, now you're going to put it in your own words so you can summarize this one. So here are our graphic organizers. In whole group, we already underlined the important information in each paragraph, okay? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to actually transfer it over to our graphic organizer. So the first important detail that you told me, okay, and if we went back real quick to see,
He told hundreds of people
to shop for the same rug at Macy's department store. But who is he?
Bill.
Right, so when we write it in this detail, you don't want to write he, you want to write his name so that you have it. Right, and I'll write it in our graphic organizer over here. Okay. So our first important information is that
Place and time to meet. Then they plan an act. It could be a dance, it could be a skit. And they don't want the community to know because it wants to be a surprise to them. So, but sometimes flash mobs can cause problems. So he did this one guy. He did a flash mob at a store. And he said to 100 people to buy this rug. And then they bought in the passage about there was one flash mob
is kind of
comic. Much. Over. Stitch. Switch. Plane. Stump. Pick. Here, want to read it, please? Okay. The thing at Macy's was the first flash mob. It happened in 2002. How does a flash mob work? How does
Michael. All right, go ahead and rotate.